Hey y'all, man, the winds are not playing. We're talking about hail again, storms again. Ooh-wee. These trees ain't playing. That wind's not playing. I don't particularly like this tree. It's right over the top of my dead gum house. Oh, Lord, Lord. Oh, y'all. It's starting to drizzle. Just want y'all see them trees, man. Yeah, them trees ain't playing. That wind's not playing. Texas needs a break. Y'all hear all that wind? Mm-mm. The clouds look pretty angry too. I'm believing Mother Nature's on the warpath somewhere. All the trees around here are like that. There's that big one I'm scared of. I don't like this tree here at all. That is a huge tree, y'all. Boom, coming around.